Welcome to MyKidReports. Today, we're going to explore everything about billing, how to track revenue, manage invoices, and keep payments organized. From your home screen, you can see the billing option. Click on it, and you'll land on the billing dashboard, your center's complete financial overview. Here, you can instantly see all key insights at a glance. At the top, you'll find cards showing total revenue, upcoming invoices, past due amounts, and your average invoice value for the last 30 days. The charts below help you understand your financial trends. Revenue trend shows how your income has changed over time. Revenue by room compares performance across classrooms, and aging balance helps you track overdue invoices by age. Further down, operational tiles make management easy. You can view and manage billing plans, check student coverage, monitor collection rates, track overdue invoices, and see which families have autopay enabled. Helpful insights like students need attention or top performing plan guide you toward quick actions. Your billing dashboard keeps everything in one place, so you can monitor revenue, track invoices, and manage payments effortlessly. Now let's take a look at the billing settings, which you can access from the top right corner of the billing dashboard. Here, you can customize how billing works for your center. Start with billing currency. Select the currency in which you want all invoices and payments to be displayed. Next, you'll see the late fee option. When enabled, you can define your late fee policy. Enter the late fee amount to be charged for overdue invoices, and set the number of days after the due date when this fee should apply. This helps ensure on-time payments and reduces manual follow-ups. Below that is invoice tax. If your center charges tax on invoices, you can toggle this on and add the tax percentage that should automatically apply to every invoice generated. Then comes invoice settings. Here you can personalize your invoices, add your school's logo, include custom footer text, and even display important details like your federal tax ID or payment terms, giving your invoices a professional and compliant look. To upload your logo, simply tap on the logo area and select your school's logo file. If you don't upload a logo, your school name will automatically appear instead. In the footer text box, you can type anything you'd like to display at the bottom of the invoice. For example, our federal ID is $75,495. Once you've uploaded your logo and added your footer text, you can click on Preview Invoice to instantly see how it will appear on the final invoice sent to parents. Next is online payments. This is where you connect your payment gateway to start accepting online payments through ACH bank transfers or credit cards. Please note, MyKidReports does not process payments directly or connect to your bank account. All transactions are securely handled by your chosen payment gateway, either Deluxe or Stripe. On this screen, you can clearly compare both options, review their ACH fees, credit card rates, monthly charges, and transfer timelines to decide which works best for your center. Once you've reviewed, simply click Connect Deluxe or Connect Stripe to begin setup. Fill out the short application form, enter your bank and business details, and after verification, your account will be ready to accept online payments. We also offer special discounted rates for nonprofit centers, which you can check by clicking the banner at the top. After setup, parents will be able to make secure payments directly through the MyKidReports app, saving time for both families and your administration. Once your payment gateway is connected, two more options will automatically unlock. The first is payment and processing fee options. Here, you can enable or disable payment methods such as credit cards, ACH direct debit, or Cash App. You can also choose to pass processing fees directly to parents. Simply toggle on the option and set your preferred percentage, like 3%, and click Save. This gives you full flexibility to manage how service fees are handled for each transaction. The second is failed fee payment. Here, you can set a failed fee amount, for example, $35. Whenever an automated payment fails, the system will automatically generate a failed payment invoice for that amount. You can also choose how would you like to send notifications, whether by text, SMS, voice call, or WhatsApp SMS? Just enter your preferred contact number and click Save. These settings help ensure your payment process remains smooth and error-free, covering both successful transactions and failed payments automatically. All set with your billing settings and payment gateway connection? Now let's move to the next step, creating a billing plan. From your billing dashboard, tap on the Billing Plan tab at the top. Here, you can create as many plans as you want. You'll also see all your existing billing plans listed here. To create a new plan, tap the Add Plan icon from the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Create a Billing Plan page. Let's go through the options step by step. First, under How often will parents get billed? Select the billing frequency. You can choose how often invoices will be generated, for example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. After choosing the frequency, you'll also select the specific billing date, such as the 1st, 4th, or 7th of each month, depending on your center's billing cycle. Next, under How much will you charge, enter the invoice amount you want to bill parents for. Then, under What will this plan be called? Enter a name for the plan. For example, monthly tuition or special activity program. Now let's talk about the invoice generation date. This setting controls how many days before the due date the invoice will be generated and sent. For instance, if your billing date is the 4th of each month and you choose 3 days before, the invoice will be automatically generated and sent on the 1st. Giving parents time to review and pay before the due date. Below that, you'll find an optional section to select days and times this plan is valid for. This part is completely optional, but very useful if your plan runs on specific days or times. For example, let's say your plan is Special Activity Program, and it happens every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You can easily set that schedule here. When you assign this billing plan to any student, their schedule will be automatically reflected in their profile, meaning you don't have to create their schedule manually again. It saves time and ensures the student's activity hours always stay in sync with the billing plan. Once all fields are complete, tap Create Plan at the bottom. Your billing plan is now successfully created and ready to assign to students. After creating a billing plan, you can assign it directly from the same page. On the billing plan screen, you'll see the Assign button. By clicking on it, you can assign that plan to children. You can select all children at once or choose specific ones from the list. Once you select the students, this Assign Program box will open. Here you can fill in all the required details. Start date, when you want billing to begin. End date, this is the date after which the invoice will no longer be generated, so leave it blank if you want the plan to continue automatically. Discount, add any sibling or promotional discounts if needed. You can do this right from here, either in percentage, %, or in USD, depending on your preference. You'll also see the amount charged and the next invoice generation date, so you'll know exactly when the next invoice will be sent. Below that, there are 2 additional options. You can choose to update the student's schedule with the billing plan schedule. When turned on, the student's timetable will automatically reflect the same schedule defined in this plan. Optionally, you can also assign charges to specific payers if payments need to be split or handled by a particular parent. Simply turn this on and fill in the amount you'd like to assign to each payer, for example, splitting the total fee between 2 parents. Once everything is set, click on Assign Program, and the plan will be successfully linked to those students. Invoices will now be automatically generated and sent based on the billing plan settings. If a plan already has students assigned, you'll see that count on the plan card, for example, 2 students assigned. To add or remove students later, simply click on that student count. From here, you can view all the students linked to that plan. You can remove any student from the plan or click on Associate another student to add new ones. When you do that, the same assignment box opens. Just select the student, fill in the details, and click Continue. That's it! Assigning and managing students in a billing plan is simple, quick, and completely flexible. You can also assign multiple billing plans to a single student. To do this, go to the Students tab under Billing. Here you can see each student listed along with the number of billing plans currently assigned to them. By clicking on that plan number, you can view all the plans linked to that student. From here, you can fully manage each plan. You can edit or remove an existing plan directly from this page whenever needed. If you want to add a new plan, click on Assign another program. Select the program you want to assign, then enter the required details such as start date, end date, if applicable, and same all previous fields. You'll also find an action button on the same page where you can access additional options to manage billing efficiently. This section gives you complete control to manage, adjust, or expand student billing plans, all from one convenient screen. Now let's explore how to manage invoices and track payments inside MyKidReports. From the Billing section, click on the Invoices tab. Here, you'll see all your invoices neatly organized under different categories. Past due shows all invoices that have crossed their due date and are still pending payment. Processing displays invoices currently being processed for payment or pending confirmation. Upcoming lists invoices scheduled to be generated in the next billing cycle. All invoices gives you a complete overview of every invoice in the system. Completed contains all invoices that are fully paid and closed. This structured view helps you stay on top of every payment stage, from pending to completed. Now, let's look at the actions you can perform within this section. Each invoice card displays key details like student name, invoice date, due date, total amount, and payment status. From the same screen, you can take several actions. To send a reminder for pending or overdue invoices, you can choose to send it by email or message. Simply select the option and tap Send. By clicking on the three dots on the invoice, you'll find more options. For example, you can record a payment manually, enter the payment amount, choose the payment method, such as cash, check, or any other available option, add a note and payment date. The system automatically adjusts balances. For example, if the invoice is for $40 and you record a payment of $50, a credit balance of $10 will appear. If the payment is $30, a balance due of $10 will remain. This gives you complete transparency and control over every transaction. And simply click on Pay. From the same three-dot menu, you can also void an invoice if it needs to be canceled, or view or edit an invoice as long as payment has not been completed. Once the invoice status changes to paid, editing or voiding options are automatically disabled. You can also use this menu to send the invoice directly to parents via email or message with a personalized note or reminder. When payments are made online through credit card or ACH, the system automatically updates the invoice status in real time. For offline payments, your manual entries instantly reflect in the invoice summary as well. You can also generate an invoice manually at any time. To do this, click on Add Invoice. Select one or more students, enter the invoice date and payment due date, choose the billing plan and description, add the quantity and amount, and if needed, apply a discount directly here. And then click Add Item. And with all details, it recorded. If you need to add more items, simply tap Add Another Item to include additional charges. Once everything looks good, you can preview the invoice to review it by clicking on Show Preview and then click Save Invoice to generate it. This gives you complete flexibility. Whether it's sending reminders, recording payments, or creating invoices manually, everything is designed to help you manage billing smoothly, transparently, and efficiently in MyKidReports. You can also download or print any invoice directly from the invoice page, perfect for record keeping or sharing with families. And for an even more convenient experience, we recommend using MyKidReports on a desktop or laptop. The wider interface makes it easier to manage billing, view reports, and handle multiple invoices efficiently. Now that invoices are generated, let's see how parents make payments and how you can track them efficiently. When parents log in to the MyKidReports app, they can view all their pending and completed invoices right from the home screen. A dedicated Payments section displays everything related to billing, including balances, due amounts, and payment history for their child. From this same section, parents can set up autopay by tapping the autopay option. They can review any additional charges and then connect their preferred payment method, either ACH direct debit or credit card, by clicking Connect. Once connected, all future invoices are automatically processed on their due dates, making payments seamless for parents and ensuring timely collections for your center. Parents can also make one-time payments manually. By clicking Make Payment, they can choose their preferred payment method, either credit card or ACH direct debit, and complete the transaction instantly. From the admin dashboard, you can monitor these payments in real time, see which families have enabled autopay, track successful and pending payments, and ensure smooth financial management across all accounts. This ensures full transparency. Parents can clearly view every invoice, balance, and payment activity for their child, while your center maintains complete control and visibility over all collections. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.